Namaste students. I hope you and your family are safe. My name is Shweta. I am your maths teacher. Let us start today's class. In your previous class, we already completed chapter 1, that is the fish tail. Let us see here. Here some pictures I have shown. Picture of building and honeybee nest and some shapes. See, because why I shown this means because today we will learn chapter 2, that is shapes and angles. See, buildings are constructed using shapes, and here honeybee nest also you can observe. Here also hexagon shape is there, and see so many shapes you can observe in this third picture. Before going to shapes and angle chapter, let us recall the what are the plane figures or two-dimensional figures. Circle is a perfectly round shape. See, and it is a closed figure. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means, see, I already explained the angle. What do you mean by angle? Two rays meet at a point, you get an angle. Here right angle triangle and types of angles also I explained. What do you mean by right angle? Right angle, the angle which measures 90 degree, that angle you call it as right angle, right? See, a right angle triangle, the triangle, if one of the angle is 90 degree, so that angle is called as right angle triangle. Equilateral triangle means, by the name itself indicates, equi means equal, lateral means sides. So a triangle which is having you know the triangle is having three sides, so all three sides are equal, then you call it as the triangle as equilateral triangle. And see, in a triangle three types are there, that is equilateral triangle one of them, and isosceles triangle. Isosceles means only two sides are equal. In a triangle only two sides are equal, so that type of triangle you call it as isosceles triangle. Scale and triangle means a triangle which has all sides are different. So all sides are different, a triangle you call it as scale and triangle. See, here a triangle which three uneven sides. Uneven sides means unequal sides. uh, Square is also called as quadrilateral. Square, rectangle, those who have only four sides, those figures you call it as quadrilaterals, right? See here, square also called as, square is a four side which all sides are equal, but rectangle only opposite sides are equal. If you go for rhombus is also called as quadrilateral, parallelogram. See, parallelogram with four equal sides. In this rhombus, all sides are equal. Opposite angles are also equal. Parallelogram. Parallelogram means, by the name itself indicates, opposite sides are parallel here. So that type of shape you call it as parallelogram. Trapezium, a four-side shape in which two sides are parallel. Trapezium, only two sides are parallel in a trapezium. Pentagon. What do you mean by pentagon? See, a shape with five sides. You know that triangle means three sides, quadrilateral means four sides, pentagon means five sides. Hexagon means it is having six sides. A shape which is having six sides is called as pentagon. See here, pentagon, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nanogon, decagon. These are all called as polygons. See, polygon is a closed figure which is having more than three sides, so that is called as polygon. See, a pentagon is one of the polygon. See here, it is having five sides. Hexagon means it is having six sides. Heptagon means seven sides. Octagon means it is having eight sides. Nanogon means it is nine sides. Decagon means it is having 10 sides. So these are all the polygons, or two-dimensional figures or plane figures. See here, you can closely you observe here honeybee nest. See, it is how many sides are there in this shape? See, it is looks like hexagon shape, right? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is having six sides, so it is a hexagon shape. Mm, and see, buildings are constructed using triangle. You can observe triangle and rectangle. And see, here by using building blocks they constructed a building. You can observe. You can also do that. Now let us start shapes and angles. See here one story is the Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. They love doing the same things. One day when they were making shapes with matchstick, Shaila gave them a challenge. See, Rohini and Mohini both are twin sisters. You also can observe if your friends are having twins means that they will love to do same things. So one day they were making shapes with matchsticks. See, Shaila is their friend. That twin Rohini and Mohini's friend is Shaila. Shaila is both Rohini and Mohini's friend. So she gave a challenge. What challenge she gave means they have to make a shapes by using matchstick. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it. But she can ask question. Oh, that is so simple. See, here Rohini, what Rohini yeah, is making shape, that shape only Mohini also want to make. Here Rohini made, see Rohini made this shape. Let us see one activity. Rohini made this shape. It is how many sides are there here? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So Rohini made this sides. It is having 6 sides and it is closed figure. And Mohini made this shape, and this is also closed figure. Here how many sides are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is also 6 sides. And again Mohini made she arranged it like this. The 6 sides she arranged it like this. Here also 6 sides are there. It is also closed figure. Now what you can observe in this? Now what you can observe in the three figures? See, all the three figures are having 6 sides, and it is all three figures are closed figure, but the shape is different, right? See, that only they are discussing. Rohini made that hexagon shape, and it is closed figure, and they are discussing both. See, both of them make the same figure, and the shape is different, but it is closed, and it is both of them have the 6 sides. It is closed shape with 6 sides. It is same as the one made by Rohini. Is there some way to say in what way these shapes are different? Yes, Mohini tried again but got different shapes. Guess and make two more shapes Mohini could have made. See what Mohini made. Rohini also again she differently she arranged by using that matchsticks. So different shapes she can make. So like that only you can also try by using matchsticks. Different shapes you can make fish also. That is also one of the uh, activity, one of the shape, right? See, like that only. See here Mohini is now tired of trying and ask Shaila what to do. If you ask for the hangers that the mastic makes at the corner, you can do it. Oh, so let us look for the angles. See, angle I already explained in your previous class. What do you mean by angles? Two rays meet at a point, so that there you can form a angle, right? Or two lines meet at one point, there you can form a angle. See here, first two lines, let us see childrens. Here the corner, two lines meet at a point. Here two lines meet, right? So here it will be a angle. Here also two lines meet at a point, you form a angle. See how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles. Here also like that only. See angles. Two lines meet at a one point, so it will be angle. Right? So like that. Here also look at the angle marked in this shape. Can you see the difference? Yes, it is a difference. See, it is a smaller shape means see, you will get a smaller angle. See how the matchsticks make a small angle and big angle. So you can make a small angle and also a big angle by using this. See, and wow, when the angle changes, the shape changes so much. Angles also So it will be changed, right? These three figures you can observe. See, you can get at the corners angles. I already told angle defines as two rays meet at a one point makes an angle. See here, two rays meet at one point. This example, so it form a angle. Here also right angle, right? Now see this building. This building's first figure you can look. It is looks like exactly it is a right angle, and here this is one of the tower. uh, See, you can see this tower, it will be slightly bended. So this is here also angle formed, right? Practice time. Look at the shape and answer. The angle marked in black, see here first, see the question. See in this figure, in the down figure you can see. Here, first question, look at the shape and answer. The angle marked in black color is biggest. See, black color in the blue color picture you can see here, it is hexagon shape. Here, sorry, pentagon shape. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 sides are there. So, it is a pentagon. Here, in this pentagon, the angles are marked with a black color. That black color are called as biggest angle, right? See, you can see it is a little bigger one. And next down, they are given some figures. Here you have to answer, are the angles marked with yellow are equal. See in these two figures, first two pentagons you can observe, it is in red color. The two figures you observe, see the angle marked in a with a yellow color, the two are equal. Yes, the two are equal. And our angle marked with green are equal. Yes, green angle marked with green color are also equal. Or the angle marked with blue color are equal. Blue color means, see what shape you what shape you call it as this. See how many sides are there, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 sides are there. If it is 8 sides, what you call that polygon, what you call that shape? Yes, it is a octagon. So here the angle are marked with by using a blue color. So you can see the angle marked with blue color are also equal. Four different angles are marked in four color. Can you find other angles which are same as the one marked in red? Mark them in red. Do this for other colors. See here, four different angles are marked in four colors. See, their angle are marked in different colors. Can you find other angles which are same as the one marked in red? See here, you have to find out. See, first figure and second figure you can observe in the solution. The green color mark, see where the bigger see, first you have to see what shape it is. 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, it is a six sides means it is called as, yes, it is a hexagon. See here, this side where it marked the green color, in the first figure also you have to mark the green color there only, because that angles only are equal. And red color, they are marked with the red color is marked with using a pentagon, right? Inside of pentagon you can observe, see red color is marked top of that pentagon. See that, and there another figure, the top only you have to mark it. And octagon also same thing like that only you have to do. How many different shapes can you make by changing the angle between the mastics in each of these? You can do it. I already told different shapes you can make. You can do it. That, and mastic puzzles also you can read and you can do. Angle tester. See, if you have a compass, then see here. Here in this compass you can observe that will become a angle, right? How do we make a equal angle? Let us make an angle tester. You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It is called as divider. See, in your geometry box, two instruments are there. That is one is compass. Another one is the divider. That one you call it as divider. The divider you can see if you open little bit, so it will make a angle. And see, one activity I have given homework in your homework part. You have to do that. Let us. Recall the what are the angles are there. See, there are different types of angles. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and full rotation means that is complete angle. See, what do you mean by acute angle? The angle whose measure which is less than 90 degree. The angle measure less than 90 degree. So 0 to 90 degree is there. That angle you call it as acute angle. Right angle means, right angle it is the angle which measures exact 90 degree. That angle you call it as right angle. Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. The angle measure greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. That one you call it as obtuse angle. Straight angle means the angle measure whose measures exact 180 degree. That angle you is called as straight angle. Reflex angle means the angle whose measure greater than 180 degree. See, 180 degree means straight line. Straight line always it measures 180 degree. And reflex angle means it is a greater than 180 degree. And full rotation. Full rotation means it is a complete angle. Which is the example? The best example is circle. Circle always gives a 360 degree. So it is a complete angle. And also clock also rotates completely in one day, right? So it will be 360 degree. These are all the examples. And homework I have given, let us see. See, homework, this activity you have to do. Take a A4 sheet color paper, cut two medium size strips. So you have to cut the two strips and arrange it into different types of angles. You have to arrange different, you know that acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. So like that you have to two small medium size strips you have to cut, and you have to paste it in your homework book, and you have to take a pic and send to me in a WhatsApp group. Thank you.